Hello. We decided to try something different tonight, and we are going to kind of do a home vlog. We've never really done like a true home vlog since we've started doing this. So we thought we would do one tonight with you guys because we're trying something new. Our friend Jackie, Jackie and Bob, our good friends, they now live down in Texas. They got us a HelloFresh subscription box. They got us a free one. And because that one got messed up, we are getting another one next week too. So they got us a free HelloFresh box. We've never done any one of these types of order boxes before.
Order and you have a meal and you set up everything. Kind of like, similar to Blue Apron and stuff like that.
Yeah, we've never done anything like that before. So we're going to try it this time. We wanted to take you guys along on the ride with us because I have no idea how this is going to come around. The recipe looks kind of interesting.
Yes, it is.
But it's not stuff we've had before.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
It's unique.
Let's check it out. Here's my professional layout. This is what we're going to be making tonight. So pork teriyaki meatballs. It comes with all this stuff. So we have the pork, lime, zucchini, scallions, panko breadcrumbs, jasmine rice, sesame oil, sriracha, sesame seeds. This is sweet umami in it, but it's actually teriyaki sauce and carrots. So we're going to get this all together and follow the directions. And we're trying a new setup for a camera. So we've got this guy, and we're going to... Vanna White over here. We're going to get it going on seeing if we can show you guys the chapin and everything. So let's get rolling, huh? Just... instructions.
Yeah, the instructions are on the back right here. There's a 6-step process.
Yes. It says 6 steps, but I feel like it's more complicated than that.
6 steps within micro steps.
Oh, I really wanted to show this to you guys. Here's the zucchini that they sent us. So as you can see, there's like oldness on here, and the edge here is kind of squishy. We decided not to go with this just because it's very old and very soft. Mm-hmm. Like just this little portion right here that you can see it's kind of lighter. That's the only portion that's edible. The rest of it's really old and bruised. Mm-hmm. So instead... Luckily,
I went shopping earlier this week before we got this box and actually have 2 other zucchinis.
Yeah, it's going to be a good time.
Yeah. That is a very nice. Very, very good zucchini. And then I'm just going to half moon it. Both sides?
Yeah. We're like a real cooking channel. Only, not. And tell me to put out pretzels.
Just put it on bottom. It's like you're gonna need more pretzels than what's actually.
Right. Because it only says a peeler, 2 medium bowls, and a small pot.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, panko. Panko breadcrumbs. Panko, pork, ginger, scallion whites. One tablespoon of teriyaki sauce.
And salt and pepper.
And salt and pepper.
Mixing time.
While Matt makes the meatballs, which look pretty darn good, I am over here getting the jasmine rice going. So this one's just a 1.5 cups of water, 1.25 cups of water, a pack of jasmine rice, and they said a big pinch of salt, big old pinch of salt, and didn't bring anything to stir it with. I'm just stir it with a spoon. It's okay, I'll get the top in just a second. All right, so that's gonna get going and boiling in just a second. And now we're ready to do this thing. I know it just looks like I put my hair in it, but my hair is not this long. It's just a weird angle. But yeah, we are going to get this all done in just a moment. So next up is cooking zucchini. And then we do the carrots and then meatballs, it looks like.
Yep.
Yes, with sesame oil. Number 4 seems way more involved than most of the other steps.
That's where all the major cooking happens.
Right, so we don't have any vegetable oil right now, so we've got coconut oil, that's all we got. And they didn't supply us with vegetable oil, so we're gonna be cooking our stuff in coconut oil. And then our jasmine rice is doing its thing off to the side here. It's really almost done. All right, check back on the better camera in just a moment. How goes it?
Good. It's almost, they're almost grilled all the way. Smell delicious already with the salt and pepper. Zucchini is actually pretty good. I've actually had it one time when it's grilled and it was delicious. And it shocked my wife beyond belief.
Can you tell them why it shocked me beyond belief?
I'm not what we call a green eating person.
You don't say.
I think the closest we get to green for me to eat is maybe broccoli.
It's true. You've been doing so much better though. Mm-hmm. Like, I'm proud of you.
I'll just try to use that insurance premium up.
If I was trying to slowly kill you, it would not be by giving you like vegetables. Mm-hmm. Don't you think it's burning? It's burning? It's burning? It's burning? Do you trust it? I don't trust it. It's burning? I can't tell. You're burning. You're my burning hunk of love right there. Although that's actually not how you say it, I realize now. Dang it.
This is coming out pretty nice, starting to crisp up a little bit, starting to see a little browning.
We don't really so much browning, just tender.
Yeah.
So it's only a little crunchy. Little crunch. Kind of like you. Little crunchy. You a little crunchy? No, I'm a little crunchy.
Yeah.
I love it when he cooks for me. Because then I don't really have to do much of anything. Just standing here while he cooks.
It's like I never left the military.
Oh yeah, he used to be a cook in the military, FYI.
Yeah.
In case you didn't know that.
Like I never left.
Yeah, I think these are almost tender. So now the next portion is actually my portion, which is tossing with some sesame oil to make it all flavorful. So yeah.
I'm gonna bring this over to the table and pour it with zucchini.
Yeah.
All right.
Then we're supposed to open the sesame oil just a little bit in the corner, which I want to do with my mouth.
Let me get you
And then, so do about half.
there you go. So that's what you can grab.
Well, it said toss, so I'm going to toss it.
Okay.
See if I can. Ooh, 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 fancy. Going fancy here. All right, that's good enough for me. I'm so afraid.
All right, so next thing is what?
The meatballs.
What are we gonna do? We gotta do anything with them?
We just gotta brown them, right? Sesame oil. Heat a large drizzle oil in the same pan with meat at high heat.
So now we brown.
Yep, we brown them. We're just gonna be browning these in 4 to 6 minutes. And then we add the remaining teriyaki sauce to the pan with the meatballs, cover and reduce to medium low.
All right, we'll get the cover just while we're waiting.
Oh, he's gonna go do that. Smexy. Matt's watching MSU football while we...
There's a flag on a plate.
No. While we are waiting for the meatballs to get all cooked up. It takes about 5 minutes just for them to just chill. Not really do much. Just cook.
No foul. Kick is good.
Oh, good. Yay, we tied it up. So everything else we got on the table right now is we're waiting for that sesame oil, which is actually leaning on our new Wilderness Resort candle from the Magic Candle Company. We really like these guys. This is actually the first one we've tried, and it really does smell like the Wilderness Lodge Resort. So, yeah, shout out to Wilderness Lodge Resort. We're not sponsored by them. We don't have an affiliation.
But to Magic Candle Company.
Magic Candle Company. But we like them. It's got a wood wick too, which is really nice. Now we're just waiting. Just waiting for the meat to cook. We're waiting. I get bored, man. I like cooking stuff where it's either put it in the oven and literally just forget about it so I can go off and do something else, or like you gotta be on it the whole time. Maybe that's why I tend to bake and do roasts more often than anything else, because reasons. But there's ones where it's only like, oh, you only have to wait 4 minutes. I'm like, 4 minutes is not enough time for me to go do anything. So now I just gotta sit around here and wait, and I hate it. I want to eat already. That's pretty darn good.
Oh yeah, they smell delicious. So what else? Now, what do we have to add now?
Nothing. I don't think. Gotta put the recipe again. I think they're done. Should we fill them? Yeah, I'll fill them.
Yeah. We're adding sesame seed oil.
I'm fluffing the rice with, and I'm mixing in that, and then I gotta do lime.
One lime juice.
One thing of lime.
Oh, yeah.
that wonderful sound you hear in the background, that ticka, that's our little guy.
Yep.
That's all you can say right now, for the most part.
We did get a good daddy out of it today.
Yeah. Did you say daddy earlier, baby?
Whoa.
This is a lot of rice.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if I want this much rice. Especially after being so low carb for a while, it's like, there's a lot of rice.
I think next time we'll just substitute it out for our different styles.
Yeah. Next time we'll make our own little cauliflower rice.
Yeah.
All right, this seems like a lot. There's still, look at this, how much is left over here. So there's still a ton left over. And these are pretty full.
Yeah, so let's leave it like that.
Okay. And I can take it.
All right. Okay.
So the next part is just kind of filling it up with everything.
Yep.
Let's do that. Here is the finished product. So here's what it's supposed to look like. And here's what it looks like. What do you guys think? I think it's a lot of food. So far it looks really nice.
Dude.
Oh, that was delightful, baby. Thank you. So there's Matt's version. Mm-hmm. So it's the same thing. We each decided with 4. There's still 3 more meatballs left over. There is at least enough leftovers for 1 more meal. So this said it was for 2 people, but it's very generous. Mm-hmm. So let's give it a try. Mm-hmm. I'm trying to get a whole all-in-one bite.
Yep. So there's everything right here.
What do you think? You're the one who really loves teriyaki.
That is good.
Good?
Meatballs are good. The rice with a little bit of lime and sesame seed. And a grilled zucchini with everything. It's pretty good.
It's good. What can I say? I hated it.
I'm savoring mine.
Yeah, basically, I inhaled mine because it was so good.
Mm-hmm.
That was really, really good. They have a little tiny packet of sriracha that comes with it. So, tiny little sriracha bottle. I don't like sriracha on a lot of different things, but it melds really well with other Asian flavors. And I really liked it in this one. Oh boy, was it good. As you can see, are like leftover a little bit of trash behind us. This does come with a lot of packaging, which I kind of wish there was less packaging, although I don't really know how they could do that. Most of these things are recyclable. It's just a lot of pieces. But yeah, there is enough here for 3 people with no leftovers or 2 people with leftovers. So we're very happy with the amount that we got. We are going to add a link in the description of the video, so down below, for it's like a link where you get $40 off your first order, and then it gives me $20 towards our next order type of thing. So full disclosure, I get something out of this, but I'm hoping you guys get something out of it too. I'll leave that link in the description below. I really enjoyed this. I'm not a big fan of ginger, and the amount of ginger that we put in those meatballs, I was a little worried, but it actually melted really well. Oh my gosh. And we're gonna actually be keeping this the giant recipe card. I'm gonna cut it down so it's actually can fit in my recipe stuff. But the recipe is pretty legit. You could do this at home once you have it, and I really like it. That's my takeaway. Any of your takeaways?
It was good.
So that was really delicious. What did you guys think of it? I mean, I know you can't taste it or smell it because it's delightful on both ends, but no, not on both ends. I didn't mean that. It's delightful both for smell and taste. Anyway, what did you guys think of the video? Let me know what you think. I'm still figuring out like different shots and how to use the other camera. The other camera was it's not brand new, but it's new to me, and we've never used it for vlogging or anything before. So let me know what you thought. If you'd like to see more stuff in the future, and of course check the link down in the description below for that HelloFresh link. See if we can't get you guys a deal, which also helps us out, and stuff like that. Thanks so much, and as always, we'll see you guys on our next adventure.